Hello and welcome to Volusia Magazine. I'm Donna DeMarsh. Today, Business Beat reporter Michelle Coates will take us to Performance Design, a world-class company based in DeLand that develops and manufactures hundreds of thousands of parachutes annually for export to national and international customers.
I'm Michelle Coates with the Business Beat. Today, we're at Performance Designs, Inc., a world-class parachute manufacturer designing wings of excellence. Performance Design's commitment to the skydiving community began over 20 years ago when two men dedicated themselves to making their visions a reality.
We build parachute canopies. We build them and ship them all over the world. We have about 160 employees.
As skydivers have continued to embrace the results of their work, Bill Coe and John LeBlanc remain committed to meeting the needs of their customers. From premium canopy design to innovative fabrics to research and development of low-drag suspension line, Performance Designs pushes the standards of performance of its equipment.
There are many different disciplines of skydiving within the sport. There are some that are individual events, such as accuracy, and believe it or not, the landing target is only about the size of a nickel nowadays. And there are also team sports where they make formations in free fall or perhaps formations using their parachutes as kind of like the Thunderbirds kind of. They're all different events for competition, but there's also just people who skydive for fun.
Part of what makes Performance Designs unique is the entire community within DeLand. Nearly every component of skydive gear is manufactured and tested here, from the fabric of the parachutes to the canisters that hold them to the drop zone at Skydive DeLand.
The parachute canopies, and you need two of them, but they go into a harness and container system, which we don't build. It could be built in any factory around the world. We're fortunate that we have 4 harness and container manufacturers right here in DeLand, so there's a good synergy between us and those manufacturers. Also, we might need a jumpsuit. There are jumpsuit manufacturers here. Helmets that are designed for skydiving. We have a helmet manufacturer here. We need altimeters. Some of them are getting pretty sophisticated now with all this electronics. We have an altimeter manufacturer here in DeLand. And we're here because of the drop zone and the other manufacturers. Together, I believe the last number I saw was in the range of $70 million a year in terms of the business that goes through these companies.
In pursuit of both efficiency and consistency, Bill Coe designed and constructed a computer-controlled laser cutting system to replace the traditional method of cutting canopy parts by hand. The laser tables have made it possible to trace each and every piece of material through a laser cut code and have taken the consistency and precision of canopy manufacturing to a whole new level. Performance Designs is the only manufacturer in the industry with such capabilities.
Well, we've been able to attract some really top quality specialists, people who love what they do, such as our production people who have implemented lean manufacturing here, which has made a huge difference.
Performance Designs is going strong with more than 170,000 parachutes manufactured and exported to over 50 countries, and more than 27,000 test jumps since the mid-90s.
Where I see Performance Designs in 5 to 10 years depends, as far as physically, depends a lot on the local community and whether Volusia County will continue to support this industry and the drop zone in our area.
Of course, the true testament is found in the legions of skydivers that have been flying Performance Designs main and reserve canopies for years, and their unmatched enthusiasm for Performance Designs quality and service. Performance Designs has introduced cutting-edge concepts and materials to the parachute industry right here in Volusia County. Thanks for joining us today. I'm Michelle Coates with the Business Beat.